It's been a while since our last update. May was a slow month due to scheduling and not being able to get the carpenters in until the beginning of June. But June, July, and August we made a lot of progress. Here we're showing the framing of the inside of the containers, the building of the clerestory, insulation of both the exterior and the interior walls, drywall installation, and the construction of the septic system, as well as some of the work being done in the basement where my office is going to be. This is the mechanical room and half bath in the basement. And my office in the basement. We had closed cell foam insulation installed to give us an R value of 21 in the walls and 49 in the ceilings. We also have rock wool between the rooms to provide sound insulation. This is the delicate process of craning in drywall in through the front door of the house. It's basically the only opening on the front that's accessible by truck. This is the drywall installed prior to being taped and the mud applied. We're looking at the guest room, the living room, kitchen, bathroom, and the clerestory from the front entrance of the house. Now we start the process of installing the septic system. This required quite a bit of digging. This is me making the hole for the drain line. And the excavator's putting in the holding and dose tanks for the septic system. This is a sand mound septic system that's going. There's two lines going into the house. One is the waste line, one is electrical to the pump. We have a septic system pump because our leach field is uphill and we're fighting gravity. We hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. That's all until next time.